You say start or stop?
So clearly we have all the example problems. I'm only gonna do a few. I heard number 8. Number 8 on which side? Let's repeat. Number 8 on page 3. Okay.
Still ask one.
All right. Chlorine gas exerts a pressure of 900 torr. When the pressure is changed to 1.5 atmosphere, its volume is 250 milliliters. What was the original volume? Okay, I like that question, and that it can be a little difficult if you try to attack it like you have the others. This is giving you 2 different pressures, right? It's giving you pressure in torr, and it's giving you pressure in atmospheres. So what we're going to have to do is we have to choose one. We have to choose to convert to one so that we have our pressure in the same units. Okay? So do we want to do torr or atmosphere? You want to do your units in torr? So that means we have to convert this 1.5 atmosphere to torr, right? And we know we have a conversion of 1 atmosphere is equal to how much? How many torr? 760, right? So all we're going to do is take our 1.50 atmosphere and do another conversion. We know 1 atmosphere is 760 torr. So if somebody can do that math for me, that'd be excellent. And then we have all of our pressures in the same unit. Then we can go ahead and do our P1 V1 equals P2 V2 a little bit easier. 1,140. Okay, so we have 1,140 torr. So now we have our chlorine gas exerts a pressure of 900 torr. When the pressure was changed to, in essence, 1140 torr, which was 1.5 atmosphere, the volume was 250 milliliters. What was the original volume? So we have, I'm going to go ahead and just write the rest of our stuff down here. So we know that our P1 was 900 torr. Okay, we know that our P2 is this 1140 torr, and we know our V2 was 250 milliliters. Is everybody following me on that? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and shut this down so we can actually read it. So we have P1 V1 equals P2 V2. So all we do is substitute our stuff in, and we want to solve for V1. This is what we're solving for here. So V1 equals P2 V2 over V1, and I just plug everything in there. My P2 is my 1140 torr. My V2 was 250 milliliters. So we know we're going to get our answer in milliliters over our P1, which is 900 torr. And if somebody could kindly type that in their calculator, that'd be great. Your torrs cancel out, and your answer is going to be in milliliters. Okay. Good boss.
That's what I heard.
Good to go?
No, it's not pausing.
Press the right button.
Okay.
Okay, so our answer for that last question was 316.7. Okay, 316.7 milliliters. Okay, the only thing different you got to do with that one is you have to make sure your pressures were in the same unit. Remember, you have to compare apples to apples. You can't have, torr and kilopascals and work it out that way. You have to convert first. All right. All right, so the next one. Number 4, Boyle's or Charles? Boyle's law or Charles' law? Okay, Boyle's, number 4. Okay, ammonia gas occupies a volume of 450 milliliters at a pressure of 720 millimeters of mercury. What volume will it occupy at standard pressure? Okay, that standard pressure is on you all?
Yeah, I just forgot.
We know standard pressure in terms of millimeters of mercury is what? Standard pressure. Not volume at STP. Hey class, it's Mr. Webb. Just wanted to say sorry for being out today, but I had to take care of my 2 little ones. They're not feeling so well today. Pretty much what we're doing is this. I left 2 examples of the homework questions. what I need you to do is to go through and to complete the notes up to the combined gas law. Now you guys can work through that. It's the same kind of simple things. All you're doing is combining Boyle's law, Charles' law, and Gay-Lussac's law. Also need you to go through Gay-Lussac's law as well, but it's the same thing. Just remember to keep converting your Celsius to Kelvin, and then you're working out the problems, and you can do the cross multiplication even when it gets to all of them together in the combined gas law. So go ahead and do that with whatever sub you have. Good luck in getting that stuff done. I expect you to do questions 5 through 7, or pages, 5 through 7 for homework. Again, we can discuss it. Hopefully I'll be in tomorrow. We can discuss how to go through some of those, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You know, you're just dealing with pressure, temperature, and volume. You just want to make sure that all your pressure units are in the same units so that they can cancel out, and you want to make sure that, you know, your volume, pressure, temperature, you have everything, you're identifying everything within your problem. So when you're going through problems, if you're having difficulty, make sure you go through and identify your P1s, your V1s, your T1s, and then your P2s, your V2s, and your T2s, and make sure to listen for those changes when it goes from original scenario to the next scenario, and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, you know, please, you can email me at rweb3@wcpss.net. That's probably the best thing to do at this point, is just to send me an email. I'll field a couple of them. I'll try to respond. I can only respond if you have your WCPSS email, so just make sure you're doing that. And maybe I'll send out another video or two answering some questions if you guys get them to me within enough time. And then maybe I can send another video out later on this afternoon. All right, you guys take care. Have a wonderful day. And I got to take care of these two little pretty girls. Hey. And here. Hey. Hey. Okay. All right. See you guys tomorrow.